Welcome everybody, it's Eric. It's my channel, Cajun Blade. Hadn't put out a shave video in a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one today. Got 24 hours of growth, but I got time to do it. I haven't had time, so adjust my camera a little bit right here. All right, soap tonight is gonna be Night Watch Soap Company, Solace. I really like it. I'm not a scent note dude. You can message Thomas and he'll tell you what's in it. It's got a barbershop, but like a fresh, woodsy smell to it. Thomas the Shaver, you can see him on YouTube, or he got an Etsy store. He got his he got a website, nightwatchsoapcompany.com, not nightwatchsoapco.com. But pretty much the only soap I use that I buy. I don't make them all. So we'll go with a little. As shop would say, poor man's appreciated. Just got out of the shower. The brush today be a Yaki Mocha 26 High Mountain Badger. Prep too good before this. Could have lathered up, but I'll go ahead and bowl lather right on the puck and go to the face with it. Hope everybody's doing well today. This ain't my thing, shave videos, but I do put them time to time. I'm more of a guy who enjoy. I'll put my horn out there, but not much on shave videos. But I'll do a few. All right. A little water here. This is a tallow base soap, which is my preference. I'm not big on stearate based soaps, but Thomas has a few of those that are very good as well. Look at that lather. My goodness. It's thirsty too. That's how most tallow lathers are. Which the more water you can load this thing with, the better you are off on your shave. All right. Try to tidy my game up a little bit. Been lacking here. Razor tonight. As per request, my Koraat 14. Same razor I honed up on a J-Nat not long ago on video. Try to dry the hands a little bit off of the glasses. Got a few backups, but we'll start with this one. This razor honed up well on the cuticle, provided a really good shave. Not too bad either on a J-Nat. I'll do that with some of my new razors. If they hold well from where I bought them at, I'll leave them. Once I hone up, I'll try a couple edges on to see what direction I want to stay. These Koraats are supposed to be 14, supposed to be dupes of the Philly 14, which they're hard to find. My favorite razor in this type K. Collins, C.K. Collins, I'm sorry. Very similar to Koraat. Easier to get your hands on, but excellent razor. Excellent razor. And that dude can hone. I mean, I haven't touched mine that I bought from him, other than just drop it. Trim work. That's hell, getting old and having bad eyes, man. Enjoy your eyes while you got them. All right, we'll call that a pass. I kind of like it. I can't say that it's better than my big taco. That was the original shave. We'll see. It's the post shave though. That'll tell me, right? Right now they both home well, so no issues with the shave. This brush is maybe my favorite out of the ones I didn't make. I'm just continually going to the water right now because this soap is, like I said, most towel soap is thirsty. Got my summertime haircut going. Took a little bit off the lid. I could still add more water with this soap. I will before I go back to my neck. All right, sideways pass, across against the grain. Very tricky. Not as tricky as this next one. That sideways pass is something new I brought in. Started playing with it. It's a tough pass to make, but it's the way my hair grows. Still very much a work in progress. It's hard not to get any weepers when you do it that way on a keen razor. It'd be nice if my neck grew like normal people, but it grows east to west. All right. Hydrate my face a little bit. I'm gonna do one more pass on the cheeks. Yes, Greg. It's crazy how thirsty this soup is. That might be a copyright violation. We'll see. All right. Put cold water on the face. My splash tonight, I'm gonna go with Floyd. One of my all-time favorites. Floyd will tell you if you have a mistake anyway, that's for sure. Little sting on the neck on that sideways pass, as I've been seeing. You're like, look, man, it's soft. No buffer needed. Good stuff. All right. So, just a recap of tonight. The lather was Solace by Night Watch Soap Company. Thomas the Shaver, check him out. The razor, a bit soapy right now, but Koraat 14, honed up on JNat that y'all viewed the video a few days ago, and everything else is history. Another busy day, but making time to have a little fun like the rest of us. So glad you got to join me. This is Eric. Cajun Blade is my channel, and we'll see you on the next one.